Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a synthetic wig cap. I'm using the Outre Premium Purple Pack. First I'm going to take a shower cap, which is going to protect my hair from any glue, and then I'm going to take a wig cap and put it on top of that, and that's what I'm going to actually be gluing the hair to. So I'm just going to start off by measuring the nape of my neck using some Salon Pro 30-second glue, and then I'm gonna bond it to the wig cap. And sometimes the glue doesn't start sticking automatically, so I'll go ahead and either use some spritz or use the blow dryer to try to get it to go ahead and bond. And I continue laying my tracks in kind of like a U shape all the way up my head, which is why I have this in fast forward. The cap color preference is totally up to you. I'm using this brown one because I had it left over. Usually I would do it on black, especially since I'm using black hair, so if I have any spaces or anything in between the tracks, they'll be concealed. But since we're working with curls and I'm going to try to fluff them out, it should be fine. So like I said before, you want to continue to lay the tracks in the U shape. That way it'll fall naturally. Then once you start getting closer to the middle of your head, you want to start actually creating more of a U shape instead of like the half circle. And I wanted this unit to have some bangs, so I waited until I got all the way to the top before I started putting bangs on it, just because I didn't want them to be like really like thick. So here I'm showing you how to make the closure piece for a wig like this. I don't want to leave any hair out, so I'm going to take a short piece of track and put glue on it, and I'm gonna roll it around itself. And once I get done, I should have a flat surface where all of the tops of the track is. And then to flatten that, I'm just gonna use my flat iron, and I should have a smooth surface to go ahead and put some glue on and stick it in the circle that's left. So now that the unit is done, I'm gonna take it off and take the shower cap out of the inside of it, and then go ahead and place it back on my head. And this is the part where I'm cutting my bangs. And all I did was grab some hair. I usually measure by my eyebrows, and then I go ahead and twist it and cut it downward into like a V motion. And I don't know what was going on, but it was like my head was too big or something, so I had to like adjust it a bajillion times. But once I got it, it actually looked cute. Then I'm going ahead and put some Lotta Body on, get some mousse on there, and that's just to kind of clump the curls back together. And do a little bit of shaping, and this look is done. I will attach some pictures to the end of this video just so you guys can see what it looks like with a beat face and all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.